Have you ever dreamed of visiting the French Riviera? Imagine a place where the sun kisses the Mediterranean Sea, where the air is filled with the sweet fragrance of blooming lavender, and where the shores are dotted with vibrant coastal towns. Welcome to the French Riviera, a region that embodies the allure of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Let's begin with Nice, a city whose charm is as varied as its landscape. From the narrow, winding streets of the Old Town to the Promenade des Anglais, a grand walkway that stretches along the Azure coast, Nice offers a blend of the traditional and the cosmopolitan. Savor the city's diverse culinary scene and let the rhythm of jazz and blues serenade you in its lively night spots. Just a stone's throw away is Antibes, a town that has managed to retain its quaint, small-town charm amidst the Riviera's glamour. Walk along its ancient ramparts, marveling at the views of the glittering sea and the snow-capped Alps in the distance. Antibes is also home to the Picasso Museum, a testament to the town's rich artistic heritage. Further down the coast, you'll find Saint-Tropez, a town synonymous with luxury and opulence. Once a humble fishing village, it has evolved into a playground for the rich and famous. Yet despite its glitz, Saint-Tropez hasn't lost its soul. Wander through its old town, La Panche, where pastel-colored houses huddle together along narrow cobblestone streets. And don't forget to enjoy a tarte tropézienne, the town's signature cream-filled pastry. The French Riviera isn't just about the beaches and the towns, it's about the atmosphere. It's about the feeling of warm sand underfoot, the taste of a crisp rose as the sun sets, and the sound of laughter filling the air on a balmy evening. It's about the sense of joie de vivre that permeates every corner of this enchanting region. A visit to the French Riviera provides a taste of the good life, with its sun-soaked beaches and bustling coastal towns. So, are you ready to experience the allure of the Riviera? Leaving the coast behind, we journey north to the Auvergne region. A stark contrast to the sun-drenched beaches and bustling coastal towns of the French Riviera, Auvergne is a region that seems plucked straight from the pages of a J.R.R. Tolkien novel. A land of dormant volcanoes, verdant valleys and sprawling forests, it is a place where the raw power of nature can be both seen and felt. Auvergne is a region sculpted by the hands of Mother Earth herself, a testament to the fiery power of volcanoes. These volcanic landscapes, as diverse as they are dramatic, are the region's defining feature. They rise up from the earth, their peaks piercing the sky, their slopes blanketed in verdant vegetation. It's a terrain that is both rugged and beautiful, a place where the earth's fiery past meets its verdant present. But the Auvergne region is not just a feast for the eyes, it is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. The mountains and valleys of Auvergne, formed by centuries of volcanic activity, offer countless opportunities for adventure. Hiking, mountain biking, rock climbing, paragliding, the list of outdoor activities is as vast as the landscapes themselves. And then there's the Puy de Dôme, the jewel in Auvergne's volcanic crown. Standing tall at nearly 1,460 meters, this dormant volcano is a sight to behold. A hike up to its summit is a must for any adventurer. The view from the top is nothing short of breathtaking, offering a panoramic vista of the Chaîne des Puys, a chain of 80 dormant volcanoes that stretches across the horizon like a sleeping dragon. But Auvergne is not all rough and tumble. It is also home to a host of picturesque towns that add a dash of charm and elegance to this rugged region. Take Salers, for instance. Nestled in the heart of the Auvergne Volcanoes Regional Park, this medieval town is a step back in time. Its cobblestone streets, half-timbered houses, and beautifully preserved 15th century architecture make it one of the most beautiful towns in France. And Salers is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless other towns scattered across the region, each one brimming with history and charm. Whether it's the Romanesque churches of Issoire and Saint-Nectaire, the fortified village of Bessay, or the thermal spa town of Vichy, each town in Auvergne has a unique story to tell, a unique charm to discover. From its dramatic volcanic landscapes to its charming towns, the Auvergne region is a place where nature and history collide. It's a place that invites you to explore, to discover, to adventure. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a history buff, or just someone looking for a change of scenery, Auvergne has something for everyone. Auvergne's diverse landscapes and activities make it a must-visit for those seeking adventure and natural beauty. We now venture northwest to the historic region of Normandy. Let's time travel back to the Middle Ages, to the time of the Dukes of Normandy. This region is steeped in a rich history that has shaped not just France, but the world. The legacy of the Normans can be felt in the architecture, culture, and spirit of the people. But it's perhaps the 20th century that has left the most indelible marks on Normandy. The region's beaches became the stage for one of the most significant events of World War II, the D-Day landings. On the 6th of June 1944, the largest seaborne invasion in history took place right here. This monumental event marked a turning point in the war and is commemorated across the region, with numerous memorials and museums dedicated to honoring the bravery of those involved. As we journey through Normandy, we stumble upon a site that seems to have leapt straight out of a fairy tale. Mont Saint-Michel, a small rocky island, stands in the heart of a vast bay invaded by the highest tides in Europe. It's crowned by a gravity-defying medieval abbey, a marvel of medieval architecture with its spires, stout defensive walls, and delicate flying buttresses. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to the human spirit's ability to create breathtaking beauty in the most challenging of locations. And let's not forget the stunning coastline of Normandy. From the chalk cliffs of Etretat, sculpted by the elements into natural arches, to the tranquil beauty of the Seine estuary, the Normandy coast is a feast for the senses. The region's coastline is also dotted with charming seaside resorts, such as Deauville and Honfleur, which have inspired artists for centuries with their unique light and vibrant atmosphere. Inland, the region is a patchwork of lush meadows, apple orchards, and traditional half-timbered houses. Normandy is also home to some of France's most iconic gastronomic delights. Think creamy camembert cheese, succulent cider, and Calvados apple brandy. This region is a paradise for food lovers, offering a true taste of the French art de vivre. Normandy has been a crossroads of history, a place where cultures have clashed and melded, where nature and architecture coexist in harmony. Its landscapes have inspired artists, its history has shaped nations, and its people have a spirit that is truly Norman, resilient, innovative, and welcoming. As we leave this region, we carry with us memories of its breathtaking vistas, its poignant history, and the taste of its exquisite cuisine. It's a place that leaves an imprint on your soul, a place that calls you back, again and again. A journey through Normandy offers a blend of history, stunning landscapes, and memorable experiences. From the sun-soaked beaches of the Riviera to the volcanic landscapes of Auvergne, and finally to the historic shores of Normandy. Our journey through these diverse regions of France has been nothing short of extraordinary. We started our adventure in the French Riviera, an iconic destination that's as glamorous as it is picturesque. With its vibrant coastal towns of Nice, Antibes, and Saint-Tropez, the Riviera offered a taste of the good life sunbathing on Mediterranean beaches, indulging in exquisite cuisine, and immersing ourselves in a lively yet sophisticated atmosphere. From the glittering coast, our journey took us north to the Auvergne region. A stark contrast to the laid-back Riviera, Auvergne challenged us with its thrilling outdoor activities. We navigated through its volcanic landscapes, hiked the Puy de Dôme, and discovered the charm of quaint towns like Sailors. Auvergne's natural beauty and adventurous spirit left us both invigorated and inspired. Finally, we ventured northwest to Normandy. A region steeped in history, Normandy served as a poignant reminder of the past. We explored the D-Day landing beaches, a humbling experience that gave us a deeper appreciation for the sacrifices made during World War II. But Normandy wasn't just about history. It also offered stunning coastal scenery and the enchanting island commune of Mont Saint-Michel. Throughout this journey, we've experienced the rich tapestry of French culture, from its sun-kissed southern coast to its rugged inland landscapes and its historic northern shores. Each region, with its unique allure, provided a different perspective on what France has to offer. And so, as we reflect on our journey, we're reminded of the diverse experiences that France offers. From relaxing beach holidays in the Riviera to exhilarating outdoor adventures in Auvergne, and thought-provoking historical explorations in Normandy. Whether you seek sun, adventure, or history, France's diverse regions offer a journey of discovery that is sure to leave a lasting impression. For those who prefer the freedom of the open road, exploring France in a motorhome or caravan offers an unparalleled experience. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the Riviera's sun-kissed shores, or the sight of Auvergne's majestic volcanic landscapes right at your doorstep. Not to mention savoring a cup of coffee while gazing at the historic landmarks of Normandy. Traveling in a motorhome or caravan gives you the flexibility to set your own pace and itinerary. This mode of travel allows you to stay in scenic locations, cook your own meals, and have all your comforts at hand. You can take a detour whenever you stumble upon a charming town or a breathtaking view, or decide to stay a while longer in a region that captivates your heart. France's well-equipped campsites are spread throughout the country, many of which are nestled in stunning natural settings, offering amenities such as electricity, water, and even Wi-Fi. They provide a perfect base to explore the nearby attractions and to experience the local culture and cuisine. So whether you're a fan of the glitz and glamour of the French Riviera, the adventurous spirit of Auvergne, or the historical richness of Normandy, traveling through France in a motorhome or caravan allows you to truly immerse yourself in the country's diverse landscapes and cultures at your own pace. Remember, the journey is as important as the destination, and with a motorhome or caravan, every day is a new adventure.